Are you looking to brighten your garden this summer without spending a fortune? What if I told you that with just a few simple items from Dollar Tree, you can create stunning garden features that look expensive but cost almost nothing? Maybe your budget is tight, or your garden space is small, or you want easy projects that don't require heavy lifting. I get it. Gardening should be enjoyable, not overwhelming or expensive, especially when we want to take care of our hands and backs. Today, I'm going to share over 20 amazing, easy, and affordable Dollar Tree garden hacks that anyone, yes, even beginners or seniors like us, can do to make your garden bloom with charm and color. These ideas are designed to be simple, fun, and gentle on both your wallet and your body. So, if you've ever felt like gardening was too complicated or costly, stick around. Because by the end of this video, you'll have plenty of creative ways to add beauty and joy to your outdoor space without breaking the bank. Let's get started. Welcome back to Golden Years Lifestyle Hub, your cozy corner for simple, fun, and affordable gardening ideas designed just for seniors. I love helping you create beautiful garden spaces without stress or high costs. If you enjoy easy DIY projects and want to make gardening enjoyable and accessible, please subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss out on our wonderful community's tips and tricks. Now, let's dive into these Dollar Tree hacks that are not only budget-friendly, but sure to surprise you with how charming and effective they are. Ready? Let's get started. Group 1. Creative containers and planters. Let's start with some wonderfully simple and creative ways to make your own containers and planters, all using affordable items you can find at Dollar Tree. Hack 1. Painted flower pots. You don't need fancy pots to add personality to your garden. Grab some inexpensive terracotta pots or plastic containers, and use outdoor acrylic paints from Dollar Tree to decorate them. Simple patterns like polka dots or stripes work beautifully and are easy to paint. I remember my neighbor painted her pots while sitting comfortably at her kitchen table, no bending or heavy lifting involved. It's a perfect way to relax and add charm at the same time. Hack 2. Upcycled tin can planters. Don't toss those empty cans just yet. Clean out old tin cans, give them a fresh coat of paint, and poke a few drainage holes at the bottom. These make excellent planters for herbs or small flowers, and they're easy to place on windowsills or small tables where space is limited. Hack 3. Dollar Tree basket planters. Baskets from Dollar Tree can quickly become lovely planters when lined with plastic liners and filled with potting mix. These are ideal for hanging gardens or tabletop displays, adding a cozy, rustic touch without any heavy lifting. Hack 4. DIY self-watering containers. For those of us who sometimes forget to water, this hack is a lifesaver. Use soda bottles combined with cotton wicks to create simple self-watering containers. They're perfect for busy days or anyone who wants to keep plants hydrated effortlessly. Hack 5. Decorative rock garden markers. Finally, add a bit of fun and function with decorative rock markers. Find smooth stones and paint them to label your plants. This gentle activity is easy on the body since it doesn't require bending, just sitting comfortably and painting. These creative container ideas show that you don't need to spend a lot or strain yourself to have a charming, vibrant garden. Up next, we'll explore more exciting hacks that make gardening even easier and more beautiful. Group 2. Garden decor and accessories. Now that we've covered creative containers and planters, let's move on to some delightful garden decor and accessories that will add personality and charm to your outdoor space, all using simple Dollar Tree finds. Hack 6. Solar light mason jar lanterns. Bring a magical glow to your garden by placing solar lights inside mason jars. These lanterns are easy to make and look beautiful when hung from tree branches or lined along garden paths. They add a warm, inviting atmosphere without any wiring or electricity, perfect for relaxing summer evenings. Hack 7. Dollar Tree wind chimes. Create gentle, soothing sounds with DIY wind chimes made from old keys, beads, or even spoons. These simple materials can be assembled into lovely chimes that bring peaceful music to your garden, helping you unwind and enjoy the fresh air. Hack 8. Painted garden signs. Give your garden a personal touch by painting wooden plaques from Dollar Tree. You can add inspiring garden quotes, plant names, or whimsical messages to brighten your space and guide your gardening adventures. It's an easy craft that adds character without much effort. Hack 9. DIY bird feeders. Invite nature closer by crafting bird feeders from plastic bottles or small baskets. Watching birds visit your garden is a joyful experience and brings your outdoor space to life. Plus, these feeders are simple to make and keep your feathered friends happy. Hack 10. Flower pot stackers. If you're short on space, stacking and gluing small flower pots is a clever way to create vertical planters. These stackers save room while adding height and visual interest to your garden, a practical and pretty solution for small patios or balconies. With these charming decor ideas, you can transform your garden into a peaceful and inviting haven. Next, we'll explore some handy gardening hacks that make caring for your plants even easier. Group 3. Functional garden helpers. Now, let's focus on some practical and functional hacks that will make your gardening easier and more organized, all while keeping things budget-friendly and simple. Hack 11. DIY plant support trellises. Climbing plants like beans, peas, or sweet peas need a little help to grow tall and strong. You can create sturdy plant support trellises using inexpensive sticks, wire, or craft supplies from Dollar Tree. These trellises keep your plants healthy and your garden looking neat without breaking the bank. Hack 12. Planter wind chimes. Here's a fun twist on functional decor. Lightweight wind chimes made from Dollar Tree items that not only add gentle music, but also serve as charming accents around your plants. Hang them near your planters to enjoy the soft sounds as the breeze moves through your garden. Hack 13. Decorative pebble stepping stones. Add a personal touch to your garden paths with decorative pebble stepping stones. Using pebbles, molds, and a simple concrete mix, you can craft beautiful stones that brighten your walkways and prevent muddy shoes. It's a creative project that adds both beauty and function. Hack 14. Plastic bottle flower towers. Maximize your garden space with plastic bottle flower towers. By stacking and cutting bottles, you can build vertical gardens that are perfect for small patios or balconies. These towers let you grow more flowers or herbs in less space, keeping your garden full and vibrant. Hack 15. Garden tool holders made from Dollar Tree baskets. Keep your gardening tools organized and within easy reach by repurposing Dollar Tree baskets as tool holders. No more searching for your pruners or trowels. These lightweight baskets are easy to carry around and help keep your garden workspace tidy without any heavy storage solutions. These functional helpers prove that gardening can be manageable, organized, and even musical. Up next, we'll discover some clever tips that make watering and plant care simpler than ever. Group 4. Summer garden care tips and easy hacks. Let's wrap up with some simple and effective summer garden care tips that are easy on your budget and gentle on your garden. Hack 16. DIY insect repellent sprays. Using household items, keep pesky bugs away using homemade insect repellent sprays made from common Dollar Tree ingredients like vinegar or essential oils. These natural sprays protect your plants without harsh chemicals, making them safe for you, your garden, and any visiting pollinators. Hack 17. Cheap and easy mulching ideas. Mulching helps retain moisture and keeps your garden looking tidy. You can use shredded paper or pine cones, both affordable options available at Dollar Tree, to mulch your flower beds. These materials help your soil stay moist longer and reduce the need for frequent watering. Hack 18. Watering can. Alternatives from household items. No watering can? No problem. Modify spray nozzles onto old watering cans or repurpose cleaned plastic bottles as watering tools. These alternatives make watering easier and help you control the flow, so you don't overwater or miss thirsty plants. Hack 19. DIY plant labels from popsicle sticks. Keep track of your plants with simple labels made from popsicle sticks. Paint or write the plant names on them and stick them into the soil. It's an easy, low-cost way to stay organized and adds a cute, personal touch to your garden. Hack 20 plus. Bonus quick tips. Here are a few extra ideas to keep your gardening smooth and enjoyable. Hang small baskets with hooks to create extra storage or decorative spots. Use Dollar Tree gloves to protect your hands while gardening without spending a lot. Invest in inexpensive pruning shears to keep your plants healthy and neat. With these summer care tips, your garden will stay healthy, happy, and beautiful all season long. Thanks for joining me today. I hope these hacks inspire you to create a colorful and thriving garden without stress or heavy costs. If you try any of these ideas, be sure to share your experiences in the comments. And remember, gardening is all about enjoying the journey, one little bloom at a time. I know many of us worry that gardening requires a big yard or expensive tools, but the truth is, you don't need a large space to enjoy gardening. Even a small porch, balcony, or windowsill can become a beautiful green haven filled with flowers, herbs, or even small vegetables. And don't worry if you don't have fancy gardening tools or special skills. All you really need is a little creativity, some patience, and the willingness to try. Gardening isn't about perfection. It's about enjoying the process and watching your efforts grow. It's also perfectly okay to take breaks and garden at your own pace. There's no rush. Whether you spend 5 minutes or an hour, every bit of time you dedicate to your garden adds up to something wonderful. Remember, every little project you complete, whether it's painting a pot, planting a seed, or arranging your garden markers, adds beauty and joy to your day. You're creating a space that's uniquely yours, and that's something truly special. Keep going and enjoy every step of your gardening journey. Safety tips. Safety is always important, especially when we're enjoying our gardening projects. Here are some simple but essential tips to keep you comfortable and protected. First, always wear gloves when painting your pots or handling sharp tools. Gloves protect your hands from paint, dirt, and potential cuts, keeping your skin safe and clean. If bending or kneeling is uncomfortable, try sitting down while you work or use raised tables and garden beds. This helps reduce strain on your back and knees, making gardening easier and more enjoyable. Remember to stay hydrated, especially during those hot summer days. Take regular breaks and don't hesitate to step inside or find some shade whenever you need to cool down. Sun protection is also key. Wear a wide-brimmed hat and apply sunscreen before heading outdoors. Protecting your skin helps prevent sunburn and keeps you safe during longer gardening sessions. Finally, keep your gardening area neat and organized. Putting tools back in their place and clearing away clutter helps prevent trips and falls, so your garden remains a safe and pleasant space to work in. By following these simple safety steps, you can focus on enjoying your garden with peace of mind and comfort every time you step outside. If you enjoyed these simple and budget-friendly garden hacks, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps our community grow. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of our senior-friendly gardening ideas designed to make your outdoor space beautiful and easy to manage. And if you know friends or family who love gardening on a budget, please share this video with them. Let's spread the joy of gardening to everyone, no matter their experience or budget. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Gardening isn't just about plants. It's about nurturing your spirit, creating beauty, and enjoying the simple joys of life. Every time you dig in the soil or care for a new bloom, you're doing something wonderful not just for your garden, but for yourself. No matter the size of your space or how much experience you have, you're creating a special place filled with life and happiness. That's truly something to be proud of. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you feel inspired and excited to try these fun, affordable hacks in your own garden. Remember, every little effort brings you closer to the garden and the joy you deserve. Wishing you happy gardening and many joyful summer days ahead. See you next time at Golden Years Lifestyle Hub.